Every week we build one n8n automation that you can use for your small business. Agents that can work for you 24/7. Today we're building the Blog Post Creator agent. So what we need to do is to optimize the Blog Post Creator agent for AEO, which is the new answer engine optimization. And what is the difference? It's about structuring your blog post content. Basically, you need to structure your blog post content so AI assistants can pull the answers easily from your content. The difference between AEO and SEO is that for AEO, you need to add direct answers on top of your post. Also, question-based headings that match how people actually ask, and FAQ sections that AI can pull from. So we're going to automate all this and create one agent that will do this for us. From there, you can add your agent to your e-commerce or any way you like. If you own an e-commerce, that's very helpful because fresh content is very good to have every week. Okay, let's dive in. We keep them right here in Sylvia's automation folder. And for this week, you come here to the Blog Post Creator AEO. Link below in the comments to get to this drive. And here in this folder for the Blog Post Creator, you have the quick setup guide. Then you have the MD file, the markdown file. Then you have how to test your blog post creator, because no matter what business you have, you need to set it up for your own business. Therefore, the easiest way is just go to Cloud Chat and test it there before you can move on and create your own agents with Cloud Code. I'll show you exactly the step how to do it. So that's what you have in the folder, and you have the n8n blog post JSON file. Let's first download the file, the JSON file, and we'll move in step by step. You're gonna start create workflow, and then you're gonna import from file. This is your JSON file, and this is your basic blog post creator. Let's move things around. Here you just have to add a few things. Setup time about 3 minutes, and you're ready to go. I'll walk you through each step. Then Cloud API, this is what you will need. And Shopify, you can add a node to Shopify or whatever you're creating your blog posts. Okay, next step, the easiest way I'll show you how to test your blog post creator and to set it up for your own business is open your MD file, blog post creator MD file, copy the whole thing, paste it here, and add, let's copy and paste this. Write a blog post about topic, the topic, whatever the topic is, how to choose the right running shoes, business type, athletic footwear, and target audience. And that's how you can start. That's one of the way. The other way is you can go to project. If you're writing blog posts regularly, I would suggest just go and create a new project. Name your project blog post creator, and then you can also add the MD file to this project. Just attach the file to the project. Specifically, the MD file here, it's created for answer engine optimization. So what we need to do is answer the direct question first. And also you can read all the details, and you can change the writing style to match your brand and voice and all this fun stuff. So That's the easy ways to test your agent and to set it up to work for your business. Here in the automation, we'll move on and set up the n8n automation. You can schedule the webhook here. You can schedule a trigger to write a blog post weekly. Here we just have it with a regular blog request hook, which you open here. You have the production URL, and this is where we're gonna listen for test event, and we're gonna create our first blog. So let's just do a little test. Let's set it up. Let's just add blog post creator here, and let's set up the Claude API. So here you have the post message, and then here I already have the Anthropic API key set up. If you don't know how to set it up, it's very easy. Go to clouddeveloperplatform.com, just sign in, add a credit card. If you don't have an account, just sign up. But if you do, just add a credit card, add $5 or $10, create, get the API key from here, and then you will come to your n8n instance. You're going to go to credentials, add new credential, which is going to be header alt, and let's just open this. We can see it, but you're going to paste this name and your key here and save it. And that's all. Then you're going to go back to your workflow. Let's open this. That's the second one I built today, just to test it. Okay, so now here, let's just open and double check. You're gonna connect your Anthropic API key, and just to show you here in the body, this is where you have your system prompt. Here the system prompt is set for my own business. What we're gonna test right now, we're gonna test a blog post for my e-commerce, but you have this system prompt, the basic prompt. It's in the quick setup guide, so you can set up the prompt for your own business. Then the next step is we're parsing the blog response, and of course we're extracting sections from Claude's output, like SEO title, meta description, blog content, FIQ section, internal links, image prompt. For right now, this is very simple for beginning workflow. We're not adding images, but that's optional to add image generation. And next, respond with the blog post. And here we're just gonna check all incoming items. And let's test this workflow, and the way it tested is just here on the online, this recpin.com. We're doing a test right now. So just copy it. We're gonna do listen for test events. Okay, click to copy, then go to recpin. And then here in the body, you're gonna paste your JSON, the blog post that you wanna write for. For right now, I have it already for schedule for today, but you will have to first start with your topic. One topic, you can choose any topic. You can ask AI to create it for you. Okay, now it's executing. One thing really important I want to mention is about the different models. Here in this case, we're using Sonnet 4. And each blog post would cost us about 1 cent to 3 cents to generate. It's a fast model, but the best model for deeper thinking, depending on your brand and what you're selling, it's Opus 4.5, a little bit more expensive. For 4 to 5 blog posts, cost would probably be about $5 a month, which is pretty good, very good price. Now we have the workflow done. Let's open and see what's going on. And now we have everything working perfectly. Here you have it, your blog content. After this note, what you can do is connect your Shopify store, and it will create a draft for you. From there, you will review everything. Make sure it is correct, add information, and you can schedule your blog post for the week. This blog post creator is just one agent. The goal is to create an army of AI agents that help you with your e-commerce and with your small business so they can run 24/7. You need to create the systems beforehand, and then we can optimize for the autonomous agent to run. My goal is to build simple automations that they do tasks that we actually waste a lot of time in the long run. But once the automations are built in n8n using the cloud code, then you can orchestrate all your AI agents to run your e-commerce store. Every week, I will be sharing a new n8n automation to help you with your small business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.